Hello everyone, this is Sri Sandhi. Hope you all are well in your life. So today I am going to discuss about the most powerful planet in astrology as well as in whole universe, which is energy giver without which other planets are meaningless. Yes, you are on the right track. I am talking about the most powerful planet in astrology, which is Sun. So how Sun influences our life? Sun signifies our ego, willpower, confidence, reputation, etc. So how Sun keeps up the role in your healthy life? Most of the time we demand too much from our life, but after struggling too much, we may get or not get whatever we desire. So don't you think the parts of your body want something else from you, but you can't fulfill? Everyone wants to be healthy and fit. For being healthy and fit, we are doing yogas, going gym and doing other activities. But it is not necessary that we will win the race of health, because it depends on planet position. Among one of them is Sun, which is related to our bones, our eyes and our heart. So how will check? We'll check by seeing our birth chart, that where is Sun sitting, with which planet and in which sign. We have to take into consideration all these points to determine the strength of Sun. If Sun is not in good position, then we may affect our eyes, our bones and heart problem. In today's generation, we are probably suffering from eyes and heart problem. Due to internet world, we all are busy on internet surfing, which may affect our eyes, or even kids focusing on online classes, which also may affect their eyes. But today I will discuss about only heart problem, pain in heart and heart failure. So house which represent the heart is 4th house. 4th house is the significator of heart and Sun is the planet of heart. So let's have a look on Cancer rising birth chart. You can see on the screen that in 4th house, Sun and Rahu is sitting in Libra and Sun gets debilitated. In this case, you may suffer from heart problem. Next condition, if there is any malefic planet in 6th house, like Mars, Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, which means you may suffer from heart problem. Next condition, if in 4th house any malefic planet is sitting and the lord of the 4th house is also affected by malefic planet, then he or she can suffer from heart problem. Next condition, if in 4th house Sun, Moon and Rahu is sitting, then also it can give heart problem. Next condition, if Saturn and Jupiter is sitting in 4th house and also expected by malefic planet like Rahu, Mars, Ketu, Saturn, then also it can give heart attack. If your ascendant lord is strong, then it can save you from heart attack. But if your ascendant lord is weak and afflicted by malefic planets like Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, Mars, then there is a high chance of serious heart attack problem under certain condition. Thank you.